Initially, JavaScript was created for adding functionality or interactivity to web pages. And because web pages run in browser, it was created to run in web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, etc. With time, it has evolved. Now, JavaScript can run on different environments. Environments like browser, server, drone, washing machine, whatever you can think of, are called platforms. Platform in which JavaScript can run. So we'll try to understand what does it take to run JavaScript on any platform. To understand JavaScript in browser, first we need JavaScript engine. Engine is something that makes you understand that language. Say, if I start talking Spanish right now, like puedo entrar por favor, I don't think you'll understand it because the engine to understand Spanish is not there in your mind. So the first thing any platform needs to run JavaScript is JavaScript engine. It also comes with some extra functionalities, like in case of browser, it can be access to location, access to your sound, or maybe history, or maybe alert. So these things are called platform specific functionalities. This functionality is specific to this platform, browser. Similarly, if you go ahead and try to make drone understand JavaScript, you will need JavaScript engine. But the extra functionality that you will need for drone will be very different than browsers. You will need something like take off, land, take photo, come back, or something of that sort. Similarly, in washing machine, you will need extra functionalities like change mode, start, or stop. So these are different platform specific functionalities that we need to run on any platform. So running JavaScript on any platform, we will need two things: JavaScript engine and platform specific functionalities. We'll go ahead and try to understand browsers a bit more. So when we are writing JavaScript, what are the other things that we can use along with JavaScript to create something for browsers? So every browser is made up of three things: DOM, BOM, and JavaScript. Let's start with the simplest part, that is JavaScript. We know that every browser can run JavaScript, and that consists of the core concepts of JavaScript like numbers, string, objects, etc. Let's move on to DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Now what is document? Document is an entire page that you open. What if I go ahead and say window.document, and we'll see that document means the entire web page that we opened in the browser. And to create that web page, we use HTML. Object model is the conversion of HTML in the form of an object. So browser, whenever it takes HTML, it converts that HTML into an object form, and they use that object form to display in the browser. So when you write your HTML, it gets converted into something called DOM, and that DOM is being rendered in the browser. Now what we can do is like use this object to manipulate the content of this page using JavaScript. We will get into the details in a while. Let's get back to the last thing, that is BOM. BOM stands for Browser Object Model. You remember we talked about every platform like browser or drone needs two things: platform specific functionalities and JavaScript engine. So BOM is the platform specific functionalities that we need in browsers. Think about it. I am on this Alt Campus website and I want to visit different pages like program and life at Alt Campus. And when you click on back button, it takes you back. So this is an extra functionality that is only present in browsers. Similarly, so I'm on this app called coronavirus.app. So now what if I click on Chronalytics? It will ask me with the location. If you allow them, this website will get access to your location, and accordingly it can change the information. So these are some of the platform specific functionalities we need in any platforms. So to access these functionalities, we can go in the console and we can type window.app. history, and we'll get history. Similarly, I want to access information like basic information about the browser or the operating system. So for that, browsers provides a thing called navigator. You can see basic information about the browser. You can see the app version is using Macintosh, Intel, and you can see all the information about the operating system and the browser. A browser consists of DOM, BOM, and JavaScript. DOM stands for Document Object Model, BOM stands for Browser Object Model, and the root of all these three things is called window. We can go ahead and access window by typing window and press enter. So everything that is present in the browser, you can see it here.